Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I'm so excited to share with you the Very Delightful Designer Series paper from the 2021 January and February celebration with Stampin' Up! This is one of the items that you can earn for free, which is even more fabulous. And I wanted to share with you each sheet of this 12 by 12 Designer Series paper so that you can see it on the full spectrum rather than just that little swatch in the catalog. So this Very Delightful Designer Series paper has colors that include Balmy Blue, Blackberry Bliss, Calypso Coral, Cherry Cobbler, Daffodil Delight, Flirty Flamingo, Garden Green, Granny Apple Green, Night of Navy, Pacific Point, Poppy Parade, Rich Razzleberry, Shaded Spruce, and Whisper White. This is one of the items that actually comes with a stamp set, Berry Blessings, that also has different berries like the blueberries and the little raspberries or grapes or however you want to see those. And it is one of the items that you can earn with a $100 order here in the United States. So you would get this pack of Designer Series paper as well as that stamp set for free with a $100 order. So how fabulous is that? I'm gonna go through each sheet of this so that you can see it on the full spectrum, and I want you to pick out your favorite and let me know what it is in the comments below, and I'll let you know what mine is after we go through each one. So did you pick out your favorite one? I am finding this fruit to be so fun, fresh, and springy, or summery, which spring and summer are my favorite seasons. So I am loving it. If I had to pick, I actually really like this blueberry one. Claire absolutely loves blueberries. But I'm also loving this strawberry one because, I don't know, it's just the different shades of reds in that strawberry, reds and pinks, just makes it so super fun. So let me know in the comments below which one your favorite one is, and maybe it's the same as mine. Don't forget to check out my entire channel for the playlist on the Designer Series paper reveals for the mini catalog that just came out in January 2021, as well as other celebration goodies. So stay tuned and check those out. And of course, check out my blog, laurastamppad.com, for lots of great inspiration and ideas. Happy stamping! Bye-bye!